Whoa! This is called the Beggars Can't Be Choosers Winter Wonderland.
Yay! Snow. Snow! Yay, Ellery! What about over here? Let's slide.
Uh-oh. Snowball fight. Fight, fight, fight. Whoa! Newman wins the first round.
Mommy, wait. Can you do snowball?
Oh, Rini says, let me play. Let me play. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh! Oh! That's not fair. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ow! Nice try. I don't think it's going to work very good.
There's enough to go?
Probably not. Maybe in the morning.
Let's do it right here.
Maybe on that,
Sit on it with your butt. Now turn around and sit down. Sit Indian style. Ready?
wow!
Aw, it didn't work.
That was extreme.
Yay!
Extreme!
It worked enough.
Yeah, put it on the big hill. Oh, here comes Mommy. Whoa! Watch out, Rini! Watch out, Rini!
Okay, let's do it on the
What do you think, Rini?
turn.
Rini says, oh boy, here we go.
Let's do it on the Come on, Rini. Mommy told you. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rini. Sit here with Mommy.
Go on, Rini. Rini, go see Mommy. There you go. I don't trust you, Mommy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness.
Why aren't the gloves on, girlie?
Don't need no gloves.
We're not from Minnesota.
Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh! Ah! Let's see here.
Now, Hillary, these little hands.
Ew, don't eat it. That's gross. That's poop snow.
It's got poop.
Poop snow. Ooh!
Mommy, let's go do it on the big hill. Alright, hold on, I gotta get Rini's glove on. Alright, there we go. There you go, Reno.
Oh, Rini. Run for it.
Let's go do it on the big hill. Alright.
Buddy, quit being a baby. Quit being a Florida dog.
I left him in there and he barked at us.
Now you're getting your just desserts. Come on, Rini. Come on, Rini.
Make sure we don't knock her down.
Yeah, all right. Hi, Rini. What a good girl. Watch, Rini. Watch what happens. What?
I'm a little afraid of this. Try and watch her.
Go.
She's gonna get knocked out.
Well, that's why you gotta hurry. Now she is.
Good.
Woo. Yay! Okay, run it back up. Now it's Reenie's turn to go by herself. Woo! Reenie!
Reenie, you're gonna go by yourself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you go by yourself.
Reenie says, my turn.
This is my turn.
Those gloves are off again.
I don't know why she doesn't want to go.
I'm coming.
Punchy!
No.
Do it by yourself.
Sit on it.
What?
Sit on here. Ready? Okay, hold tight. Be careful. Ready?
Oh!
Go!
Whoa!
I'm going backward.
Whoa!
I went backwards.
Whoa!
Reenie said my turn.
Yeah, run it up. Let Reenie have a turn.
What?
Come on. Go, go, go.
Maybe I should just push it or something.
Brake like the wind.
She said my turn. Would you like to sled down?
Hey, Muddy!
We might try for her. Even with buttons, these aren't staying on.
Oh! Wow! That was cool. Do it again.
Okay, I will. As soon as I can this up. Too heavy for this. I know. Okay. I don't know enough. I know what I can do is. Come on. Come on, everybody.
Got out here just in time.
Yeah.
A little time is better than no time, right?
Come on, Reenie. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Daddy's turn.
No, my turn.
Daddy's turn. Okay.
Daddy's going up the hill. Come on, Reno. Come on, Reenie. Watch Daddy.
Why did you place my leg?
I don't know if I got you because I was so afraid of you hitting her.
Hey, my turn.
You might want to do it again. Daddy gets one more turn. Mommy didn't do a good job filming. Hey, watch out. Here he comes. Muddy wants to go in. Muddy doesn't like this outside. Muddy, stop. Muddy. I'm gonna let Muddy in. Don't go yet.